back to 20 car. The 2026 Chevrolet Express 2500 Unofficial Concept presents a refreshed silhouette of the iconic workhorse. Its exterior is sharpened with an aerodynamic fascia, dynamic LED headlights, and broad sliding doors that highlight efficiency. The presence of a bold Chevy bowtie grille ensures it commands instant recognition. Inside the dashboard layout, Chevrolet emphasizes intuitive usability. A multi-tier digital panel merges infotainment, logistics apps, and fleet connectivity in one. The flat-bottom steering wheel and ergonomic switches remind drivers that practicality need not compromise comfort. Rear cabin refinements transform this hauler. Depending on configuration, it can seat passengers in spacious rows or deliver a cavernous flat-floor cargo bay. Materials are durable yet softened with high-quality upholstery, showing Chevrolet's attention to detail. On the technical side, the Express 2500 is envisioned with a turbocharged V6 hybrid powertrain, producing strong torque for freight duties. 0 to 100 km height is achieved in 9.3 seconds, efficient considering its size. Its main rivals include Ford's Transit 350 and Ram Pro Master City, but Chevy differentiates with its integration of AI fleet management and next-gen safety assist. Price estimates place it around $46,500, appealing to businesses and adventurers seeking strength and tech.